I'm going to show you how to get a super quick and super cute updo in less than a minute. Gather your hair into a low ponytail. Twist the entire ponytail from the base of your neck straight up, maintaining even tension the entire length. You can use the fingers of one hand to smooth and tuck your roll. The longer your hair, the lower on the back of your head you should start twisting your hair. Otherwise, the ends will be too long for the spray. Continue twisting upward until you are just below the top of your head, and only a few inches remain loose on the top. Hold the comb with the curve facing down so it hugs the curve of your head. Grab the comb with your free hand and pull it across the twist. Slide the comb into your hair, making certain the teeth stay in contact with the scalp and are not in the roll itself. Once the combs are secure, reach up and fan your loose peacock tail on top. Here's a fun and easy way to put your hair in buns without matting or tangling. First, make sure your hair is parted down the center. Then gather half of your hair in both hands and begin twisting in the location on your head that you'd like the buns to be. Twist the hair into a bun shape. Hold one end of the comb in your hand with 4 fingers on top and your thumb on the bottom, making sure that the teeth are pointing towards your head. Firmly secure the comb into your hair, sliding it under your bun. With your free hand, grab the comb and pull it over the bun. Once again, with the teeth facing toward your head, secure the other end of the comb on the opposite side of the bun. Repeat this process on the other side of your head. The result? A perfectly easy, fun, and cute hairstyle. And perhaps the best part? You don't have to worry about the style causing any mats or tangles.